no oye the Premtobre president for the Brothers and Sisters Association ma yankonko share za orichogu wa Adom TV social media pages no dozana yanko share ofanko build na o collapse e wo honom no ya za Institution of Engineering and Technology wo chimde mpono da medana no onyi any permit ma yanko share za okay.
Yeah, social media ya na ma midi ehun ye. And tempano me frey the chairman for civil division of the Institution of Engineering and Technology. So on your background check, my feedback. No those checks, which we call the preliminary investigations. And it came out say a dino musino, new random cancer abrochre and now the MOBF is Yamano. Now omuni permits. That one have been established as
Institution of Engineering and Technology no watch do ya that we story builder na you no permit biara in your home ma menje wadwen chwe emfa them insemi home be like my star or say how did the person recording know it was coming into no be some dem no nyimpa na offer ni phone or record the builder na or kakeshe phone no o se dem hu the builder no ba kakeshe phone frempoma or say oh my god a serious power age but where the videoing already done already before the accident cause it's really captured its power okay now some boy no pa there na wo twa video no da one sana accident ni be signs sayuram bello no say a very very serious papa ofankwa building no collapse nezenyen ma yankonko share oye mami penyimu be when you're 85-year-old na woman be why inflict cutlass wounds one of those Sunday or just the oye before ma yanko share za occurred oh hono
mami be olukamwa ha o se obinjumo miwo into akada men na muso mejina ho me ya mehyehyem na mekam wan no luwu na obi mu fifi wo mo na babai hu a wo fi bai wo bai no wo bai wo bejenja wo mo wo kasa ya nti oye na maame no so gudu oye den oluchan nti yemu na maame no wa atoba ha na onipa ko no wa atwa na ewe na wa atoba maame no wa atoba ha na odi fa paado na maame no wo twanen onu mom no ha board oye no
hwe da mare hu semi okodo enyan anku kro mamenje wadwen chwe amfa dem insemi ho Miss Pegel so say asem ben kreni asem ben kreni Jemima o say inti jam generation ye wo mi so nkofu da hara wo bo anyan ma waye tutubrasam za ot da ma na inti Jemima ono asem no waye no ho papa erajua o say sad because it's sad, oye areho papa. Ma yankonko share NPP flag barrership or kodo race or kodo na Alan Chairman say also way away from not to talk na no kakra my yente is okay.
Despite the sacrifice I made to unite the party, as referred to above, there were very serious post-primary attacks on my supporters all over the country and an open show of hostility. Some of my supporters were victims of brutalities and continue to bear the scars of that treatment. I made several representations to the then leadership of the party, drawing their attention to the rancorous and divisive behavior of some elements in the party. Regrettably, however,
so Alan Kojo Chairman no chimdo ya za MPP amayo code is way in way from no so no or ya presidential batono ze ojinum papa acquired what no say good luck onko on my papa no say good luck to you say you deserve better and also chima papa no deserve better papa into no all man no good luck Ephraim K amatame or say he should get every requirement otherwise easy disqualify and also momos na ne requirement biara here biara no onya ne pepepe enye da ma okodu easy hono ma wo ba disqualify na akosua beko yo say you didn't try at also Alan ono onye nya adwene kra one try kra mo fa de etwogo no embre wie fi amankwata ma close some can no bosodo